In this video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok shop not available issue. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now in this situation, and now in most cases what happens is your region or your country is simply not available for the TikTok shop. So what you can do is open up your web browser, search for TikTok shop regional list, and if your region or your country is not available within this list, that simply means that you cannot gain access to this feature. Also, what you need to do is check the affiliate versus the seller account settings. So within your TikTok account, what you need to do, if you live in a eligible country but the tab of the TikTok shop is missing, your account configuration as well as the account followers may also be causing this block. So you need to have at least 1,000 to 5,000 followers in order to gain this access. If none of these solutions are working out for you, this may also be due to your account violating some sort of community guidelines within this platform. So in this situation, you need to directly appeal to TikTok or head over to the help section within TikTok. So just head over to the help center and then you need to chat with them directly to take a look at if your account was banned or has violated some sort of community guidelines. So these are the few things that you can follow in order to fix the TikTok shop not available. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.